Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar and to a rock and roll session on a Wednesday. That means we have Wish Wednesday. You wish for songs, I bring up for you. And this time we have you Refused. I think you wished for this one from Sparklehorse. It's called Someday I'll Treat You Good. So I hope I'm going to treat you good here, Refused. And maybe some other people who wished for the song. I'm not sure, but anyway, you're one of them. Sparklehorse. Someday I'll treat you good. Let's go into this one. And we're going to do this with capo set on the 3rd fret. With that, we have a couple of chords. I believe this is the best scenario for us. And we're going to start with some bar chords. We have B minor first. That's index finger on the 2nd fret. And you push down 5 strings. If you count from bottom up like this, then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Next is the F sharp minor. Another bar chord still on the 2nd fret. This time you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We're gonna move on with the E minor. E minor goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have next A sus 4. Alright, so it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. We have G next, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have D as well. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord is the C sharp minor, used later on in the bridge solo part. So imagine you have the B minor, we learned that already. Just take the very same grip and move it 2 frets closer into your body like this. You land with the index finger now on the 4th fret, okay? You push down exact same 5 strings, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And there you have the C sharp minor and all the chords required to handle this song. Now let's go into the strumming. We're gonna use the B minor as the first chord, so grab that one, and one string around. You have 2 options here. Either you go with 4 downs like this, and in that way you want to emphasize the 3rd down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You do that in the way that you're gonna play on the higher strings on that 3rd down. All other downs you play and chew a little bit more on the bass mid area, and then 3rd, and back to 4th on the bass. So that will give you a certain rhythm like this. And like that's slower. So that is one way to go. The other one is more on the beat emphasized way. So instead of playing the 3rd down, you replace that with a clap instead. So that will be down, down, clap, down. Okay? So down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. That is the second way to go, and it will sound like this. Okay, so either way is good. I showed you both ways here in the introduction tutorial. Now let's go into the actual song. We're gonna start with the first verse. You're gonna play B minor 2 string rounds, then F sharp minor 2, and E minor 4. That's corporation of these 3 chords. You're gonna play for 4 rounds. A couple rounds goes like this. Again, B minor 2, F sharp 2, and E minor 4, 3, 4. Alright, and I choose the clap version now. You can go, like I said, either way is good. So that is the first verse, 4 rounds of B minor, F sharp, and E minor. Then comes the pre-chorus part. I left my baby. That's where we are on the lyrics, about 56 seconds in. Now you're gonna play the F sharp minor 2 string rounds, and the E minor 2 string rounds. You're gonna do that for 2 times, okay? So F sharp 2, E minor 2, F sharp 2, E minor 2. So you're gonna play like this. Alright, so that's the first pre-chorus, and now into the chorus. Someday I'll Treat You Good. That's where on the lyrics, that's the title of the song. And we're 1 minute and 3 seconds in. Now you're going to play the A sus chord for 2 string rounds, then G, 2, then D2, and back to A sus2. So it both starts and ends on the A sus. You're gonna play that chord progression for 3 rounds, and on the 4th round, you're just gonna stay with the G and play that for 4 string rounds. So the first 3 rounds goes like this. And second round. And last round. And now G4. 2, 3, 4. And that's the end of the course. Alright, and that's the first round of the song. Now let's go into the second round, and it's just repetition, guys. Play exactly in the same way in this second verse, even the second pre-chorus and the second chorus. After that, we hit the solo/bridge part. It happens about 2 minutes and 26 seconds in. Something going on, I believe that's where on the lyrics. And now you're gonna continue the same strumming. You're gonna play E minor 4, then G4, then B minor 4, then you go over to the C sharp minor 4, then E minor 4, and G4. After you play that G4, you're gonna play 2 rounds of the verse play, which means B minor 2, F sharp minor 2, and E minor 4. And all that is the bridge part. Okay, so I'm gonna play me while I'm speaking, and I'm gonna take you through this bridge solo part, and it goes like this: E minor, 3, 4, and G, 3, 4, and B minor, 3, 4, and C sharp, 3, 4, and back to E minor, 3, 4, and G. Now the verse play. Again, B minor, F sharp minor, and E minor. And that's the solo/bridge parts. Alright guys, so we hit the final stages of this song. We are gonna play the pre-chorus number 3, and that is played again exactly in the same way as the other pre-choruses we played before. F sharp 2, E minor 2 for 2 rounds. And after that you play the third and final chorus. Again, that is played exactly in the same way as other ones. You have the A sus, G, D, A sus for 3 rounds, and then you play the G4 for 1 round, and after you play that G4, you're gonna go and play 1 down on B minor, so the ending would be like this. And that is the ending of Sparklehorse, Someday I'll Treat You Good. Hope you refused like this one. Alright, that was my mission, to educate you guys and to give someone of you out there their song. And this one is for you, refused. Hope you enjoyed it, and continue to wish here on Going Guitar. I enjoy doing the songs and really get what you want. So take your chance, wish for your song. Till next time, guys, play tuned.